Now to justice marches from Uganda. The International Criminal Court and the Danish government have signed an agreement that will allow victims of the Lord's Resistance Army full access to the trial of a former commander of the rebel group. Dominic Ongwen is accused of crimes against humanity for actions committed in northern Uganda. Here's CGTN's Baleke with more.
The project, called Access to Justice, is part of events to mark International Justice Day. Programs in the project will include video screenings of the trial in 23 villages, visits to The Hague by local leaders to attend the trial, radio programs and other initiatives. According to the Danish embassy, the project is aimed at bringing the justice process nearer to the victims of the LRA atrocities.
The whole process of ICC is going on in The Hague, very far from the northern Uganda where the war was taking place. So it is extremely important that people, the victims and the communities, they understand why do we have this trial in The Hague. They do not understand today, but maybe they'll get a better understanding so that justice and truth-telling is coming forward. That is the fundamental basis for development and stability.
According to a 2005 International Criminal Court arrest warrant, Dominic Ongwen was a member of the Control Altar of the LRA. That's the section representing the core LRA leadership responsible for devising and implementing LRA strategy, including standing orders to attack and brutalize civilian populations.
Seeing is believing, that indeed Ongwen is before a credible court of justice where no one is going to influence its outcome. And I'm sure Ongwen himself, he's also confident that he's before the International Criminal Court rather than our local courts here, which can easily be influenced.
Uganda is one of the ICC state parties that has domesticated the Rome Statute and also set up an International Crimes Division in its High Court to try Rome Statute offences in addition to the offences of terrorism, human trafficking and piracy. Yet so far, none of the LRA's top leaders have been brought before the Ugandan High Court. Baleke, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.